North America. 700 years ago, stood a city larger than London at the time. Not built of stone, not protected by walls, but rising from the earth itself, near the Mississippi River, in what is now southern Illinois. A civilization built something extraordinary. This was Cahokia. And then, it vanished. Around 1050 AD, Cahokia exploded in growth. Located near present-day St. Louis, just east of the Mississippi River floodplain, the city became the largest urban center north of Mexico. At its peak, archaeologists estimate 15,000 to 20,000 people lived here. That made it bigger than many European cities at the time. But Cahokia was not random. It was carefully planned. A vast central plaza covered over 40 acres. Today, Monks Mound still rises from the landscape of Illinois. It is the largest prehistoric earthen structure in the Americas. Over 30 meters tall. Base larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza's footprint. Built entirely by hand, basket by basket. No metal tools. No draft animals. No wheeled transport. Archaeological studies show it was constructed in stages, with different building phases layered over time. This was not a primitive society. This was organized power. Cahokia thrived because of agriculture. The fertile floodplains of the Mississippi River supported large-scale maize production. Excavations reveal storage pits, specialized craft workshops, long-distance trade goods, copper from the Great Lakes, marine shells from the Gulf Coast, stone tools from distant regions. This was the center of what historians call the Mississippian culture, named after the Mississippi River system, not the modern state. Cahokia was its heart. Not far from Monks Mound, archaeologists discovered circular timber structures. Today they are known as woodhenge. Massive wooden posts arranged in a precise circle. They aligned with the sunrise during solstices and equinoxes. This suggests astronomical knowledge, calendar systems, ceremonial life tied to the sky. Cahokia was not just political power. It was spiritual power.
Signs.
But by the 1200s, something changed. Archaeological layers show evidence of deforestation, soil erosion, increased flooding, nutritional stress in skeletal remains. Some skeletons show signs of violence. Mass burial pits suggest ritual sacrifice or social unrest. The palisade walls were rebuilt multiple times, possibly in response to threats. Environmental pressure, political instability, internal conflict. The system began to crack. By 1350 AD, Cahokia was largely abandoned. No final battle. No burning destruction. Just departure. The population dispersed into smaller settlements across the region. Why? Some researchers suggest climate shifts linked to the Little Ice Age. Others point to overpopulation and ecological exhaustion. Some argue social hierarchy became too rigid to sustain stability. There is no single answer. Only layers in the soil. Today, the site is preserved as Cahokia Mound State Historic Site, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The massive earth mounds still stand quietly across the Illinois plains. Visitors can walk the Grand Plaza, climb Monks Mound, stand where a city once dominated North America. Cars pass in the distance. Modern suburbs stretch nearby. Few realize this was once the largest city on the continent. Cahokia rose without stone, ruled without metal, connected lands across a continent, and disappeared without a final chapter. A reminder. Even the greatest cities, even those that seem unstoppable,
can vanish without a warning.